Yo, yo, yo. What's happening, Smokey? Benny? Oh, yes. Champions. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Sudo. Oh, Sudo. Yo. Why does this look creased? I don't get it. That's crazy. Alright, what's crack-a-lackin'? What is crack-a-lackin'? Let's get to the charts. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Rosie, what's happening? It sounds a bit loud. Hold on, let me turn it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, so I kept thinking Nvidia had earnings yesterday, but it's today. It is today. Alright, so Goldie. In the right place. Hello, Pastor. How are you today? How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Alright, so gold on the daily time frame. We've made a nice long bottom wick. We flipped bullish and we are pushing up. Nice continuation pattern played out yesterday. So we're looking for two things yesterday. Gold to retrace some of this move, some of the drop, give us a bit of a pullback and then sell back down, or flip and push back up. But obviously the former happened. We pulled back and sold and closed very strong bearish. We've already broken yesterday's low, but again we are pushing up. Also, we are pushing up from a 4-hour support, an old support level. No, that's more on this time frame. So yeah, all the way across. Look, we've got a very old support here, all the way. So I can see gold. I'm in two minds about where gold is going. You know, we have a pretty light news week this week, so I can imagine gold creating a big range just to play in. So that would be, you know, we have the highs here and the current lows are right here for the week. Now if gold wants to continue down, I would anticipate it holds at this 4-hour resistance. Maybe we get some sells back down. Depending on how it closes. If we close above, maybe we get a bit more of a pullback and push up. These are yesterday's levels, but I'm gonna keep them there because this was quite a strong support here that finally broke yesterday. NY session. Pound yen is kind of sideways. Not really much going on GJ. And NAS, pretty much the same too. Right, so now we just wait. We wait. Let's see how price reacts to this 4-hour resistance. Also, it's pretty much a psychological level too. 4,500. Straight. Yeah, but you guys, anyone take any trades this morning? How's everyone's London session? I know Dr. John is in some nice gold buys. Then some gold buys up to where is his trade? Carl is in some good buys as well. Yeah, Dr. John's got a good entry, 44.93 it looks like. I haven't traded this morning. Okay. We got time, we have time. We have time. Smokey, how you doing, Smokey? You still here? How you been, man? How you been? I do not like how creased this top looks. Like, why do I iron stuff if it just looks creased? I might actually have to change this. That is wild. Alright, can we break above 4,500 or are we gonna sell down from here? Gold, what are you saying? Psychological level. Hello, watching from Kenya. Can you help me in analyzing the charts? Yeah, sure. Just top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Figure out your trend using the daily. Which direction is your pair going? And then start looking at the lower time frames to confirm your bias. Dr. John, how are you? How's your trade moving? I was just saying you're in a very nice trade. Got a very good position. Let's see if price gets up there. It's moving nicely. It just needs to break above 4,500. It's struggling here, struggling. But if we can break, I think we get a good push up. If it can break. Go on, look, back to 45. Go on, push. It really struggles here. Got a nice continuation pattern. Strong bullish, weak bearish. Just need to break these highs and then pop. Let's see what the DXY is doing. DXY. I'm waiting for Nas to push up. Gold done. Ayla, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ash isn't here yet. She's not here yet. She'll be here soon. DXY looks like it's dropping back down. It's good. It's holding at this 4-hour resistance. So if DXY comes down, we should see gold pushing up too. That would be good. That would be good. Nas, I would like Nas to continue back up, you know. I think Nas is still, I'm still very bullish on Nas. Still very bullish. But it's really struggling to break 4,500. It's really struggling. Yeah, I don't know if we push. I mean, look, we're making lower highs on the lower time frame. Making lower highs. And my concern is this resistance here on the 4-hour too. If we hold or break it, maybe it's just a bottom wick. Just a bottom wick on the 1 hour, and then we flip bullish, drive up, maybe. Oh no, look, I don't know. One hour doesn't look so good. You guys' thoughts on gold today? Not sure yet. Okay. Wanted sells. Oh yeah, we spoke in the Discord. Yeah, I mean, we're pushing up from like there was an old 4-hour level here, so I was considering that. But my main bias for the sells was, you know, the daily yesterday closed quite strong. We broke yesterday's low quite early. Quite early on, so I was just waiting for like some structure, you know, for gold to continue down. But then, you know, if this 4-hour support holds, then we could get a bit more of a retracement, a bit more of a push up. We do have some candles that don't have top wicks, but they're kind of far away now. Got no top wick here, no bottom wick down here. And gold's taking its time to come back to these levels. Yes, it's all just a waiting game. But look, DXY continues to come down. That's good. It's always good. I keep forgetting to post the trades. I need to post the trades that we took last week. Not bad, not bad. Couple of trades, couple winners. Can we look for a sell or buy on gold? Right now, I'm not seeing anything just yet. I'm waiting. So I wouldn't say take a buy or sell just yet. Ibrahim. And that's because, I mean, look, if we go from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, you know, you start high up, we're pushing up. We've already broke the daily low. 4 hour. Now this 4 hour is at this resistance here. And it's also a psychological level 4,500, which is really struggling to break. So I'm waiting. I'm probably going to wait, see how this candle closes. If we can close above this resistance, then I think we can get some good buys up. If it closes below, I'm going to look at the next 4 hour candle in an hour. See if it continues to push or we reject this area, reject 4,500 and then sell back down, because gold is looking kind of bearish at the moment. And if I'm following the daily time frame, the daily is currently bullish, but we're very far from yesterday's high, and I think we can potentially flip bearish and sell back down. Ash, what's up? What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? But yeah, you see how we keep rejecting 4,500s? Every time we get there, we drop. Every time. So if we go up, we need to clear it. We need to get a good push. We need to get a good push. But gold is it's not really giving us that just yet. No problem, no problem. Always look for both sides. Both sides. I have a main bias, but you know, what could lead to buys, what could lead to sells. I think you have to look at everything. Not marry one bias. I mean, look, it's quite you can see where we are reacting to. You can see what gold's reacting to, like the price right here. You can see 4 hour resistance, definitely a significant level always. Getting much movement to start this hour. Not much movement at all. Dr. John typing. Still looking for some buys. Like, what I'm seeing on gold right now is this. Pushed up. So we could come down, create a lower high again, and then sell, or we could be coming back up. I don't know. Expecting it at 45.37 once it breaks the resistance on the 4 hours. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. If it breaks this resistance, it's really struggling here. It's really struggling, and it's a psychological level as well. And it's a psychological level. Yeah. Need to really get a good push above 4,500 if that happens. If it comes. Yeah, struggling, man. Struggling. I can see a bullish continuation pattern right here, though. If we can actually like re-break the high and get a good push, I do see it. I wouldn't mind the sells. That prior H4 barely has a bottom wick. Oh yeah, down here. Yeah, it's small. If I do take the sells, I think it would be... I'm not sure if I'd get in just yet. I'm not sure. I think I want to wait for the next 4 hour to maybe come up, create a top wick, and then... It really depends on how this 4 hour closes. But I could see it. If it holds below, then next candle top wick and then a drop. That's what I'll be waiting for. That 4,500 has been struggling since Asian session, right? We're not really staying above the 4,500s. We've come up here a couple times now. Look, 1, 2, 3. We just keep tapping and pushing, but you never know what might happen. Just have to wait and see. Wait for candles to close. That's what I do. I wait for candles to close. I sound low. Oh no, you gotta turn your volume up. I can hear myself in my ear. It's gotta turn me up. Gotta turn me up. Just turn myself up very loud in my ear. It's all good. Moki was on a call. How y'all doing? We good. How are you, man? How are you? You had to get headphones. Damn, you guys want me to shout? I'll turn the volume of the music down. Let me turn the music down. Maybe that will help. Can I get a volume check? But yeah, I guess I am listening in headphones. Oh, it sounds alright to me. Sounds alright. It's too loud. Man, yeah, I don't know. 4,500 struggling, man. Struggling. But we're not really getting a drive down. I'm good. Went to the Emirates last night. No way. Was it crazy out there? Was it crazy? Was it wild? I can imagine people like in the streets going off. Was it nuts? When's the parade? That's what I want to look up. I want to look up when the parade is. I'm in two minds if I want to go. I'm in two minds. Mainly because like I'm not really a fan of North London as an area. You know what I mean? You might get some hating Tottenham fans up there. What's happening, Will? You good? How are you? How are ya? It was so electric, absolute scene. Parade will be on the 31st. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be nuts. Everyone's sending congratulations. I have had the most backhanded compliments. Congrats to Arsenal, it only took you 22 years. Blah, blah, blah. All good here, trying to grab some ETH cells. Okay. We're going all in on some crypto, yeah? Going all in on some crypto. Good old crypto. I have a few hours looking over it. Okay. Are you looking for like to scalp it, or are you looking for that swing trade? The swing trade idea. Yes, sorry, yes, yeah. No, this weekend we're on. I was supposed to go out Saturday, but I was supposed to go out this Saturday, but I think the weather's gonna be too bad anyway. So yeah, definitely. This weekend I'm around. Definitely get that meeting popping. But with I mean, yeah, with crypto, I can't trade crypto. It's just a bit too manipulated for me. Weather's meant to be great this weekend. Yeah, it is. But then my friend sent me a forecast saying that Saturday it might rain. So if it doesn't rain, then all good. Let me see. Drizzle and a gentle breeze. But it will still be 26 degrees. But if it's raining, I'm going to a festival. I'm supposed to go to a festival. I can't go to a festival when it's raining. It's horrible. It'll get muddy and yeah, I don't do festivals in the rain. Where is it? It's in Leighton as well. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. And it's supposed to be hot every day. and then bang, Sunday, Saturday, the day I'm supposed to go out, it's forecasting rain up there. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Get the wellies out and the poncho? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Wellies and a poncho to a festival? You're mad. Alright, so golds, we're not gonna give us a nice continuation pattern here. We're actually pulling back, so maybe we are creating a lower high here, maybe, but the 1 hour hasn't broken this previous 1 hour low, so it's still a good sign that we might go up. But yeah, like I said, 4,500 is really struggling. I done Notting Hill Carnival in the rain and it was the best ones I've ever attended. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Last year was lit. I went last year. Last year was good. Last year was baking. Last year was so hot. It was nice. But I don't do outside in the rain. I just can't do it. Yeah, they have tents. You still got to walk to the tent. You got to walk through mud and stuff. It's on the field. You can tell you guys are boys, man. Girls, we consider this stuff. We're not doing this. We're not walking about in fields of mud. Nah. None of my girlies are anyway. We ain't doing that. What festival is called Forward Motion? Forward. It's house music. Love it. And it's over 25s. So this is like their first festival as well. They normally do they normally just do clubs. It's so good. Such a vibe. Do you know what I mean? Decent crowds. I flipping love it. So yeah, festival. Their festival is they did a street party last year. It was a scene. Absolute movie. That was crazy. That was so good. But you need good weather to be in a festival. I can't do a festival. I did a festival one time in Amsterdam and it was pouring down. Awful. Awful. I thought gold was about to flip there and give us a nice drive up. That sort of teased, didn't it? Oh, maybe. Last 3 minutes, give us a good push. This is what's going on here? What's going on? Oh, yes, no, maybe so. Motion. What do you reckon, guys? Last 2 minutes, give us that flip and a push. We break 4,200. Sky, good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? Let's catch some pips. Let's catch some pips. What's your thoughts about the markets today? What are you waiting on? I'm good looking at Nas buys. I like Nas buys. I like Nas buys. How do you think Nvidia earnings are going to affect Nas today? Yeah, I'm still pretty bullish on Nas. I just don't know where I want to get in. Ooh, I had the notification, but I can't see it. My bad. Thanks for subscribing, whoever subscribed. Yeah, I do like Nas buys. All-time highs, I'm hoping. Ooh, ooh, all-time buys. Talking dirty. Talking dirty. Wait, is gold gonna flip? Alright, the only way I can find some levels for Nas, I'm gonna do a low here, high right here. I don't even like this. Oh shoot, gold popped. Gold popped. Crazy. What's your target? So I had a target. What did I have before? It was about 30,000. About 30,000 for Nas if it does give us a good push. This is good. This is actually good for gold right now. Let's push above. Hopefully we don't leave some wicks on the top here, but we actually break, close above this resistance. If gold does this, if we get a good closure above, then I'm literally just looking for I'm just looking for a bottom wick, a retest of the broken, maybe even higher up, to be fair. Yeah, I want it a bit higher up. Good closure above, bottom wick, retest the broken resistance, and then keep pushing. That's what I'll be looking for on the 4 hour. That's what I'd expect the 4 hour to do, something like that. Opened with quite a little push there, little 50 pip push. What time is earnings? Ooh, earnings for Nvidia. I believe it's after market. It's always after market. Nvidia's a bit cheeky. Let me find the time. What time is Nvidia earnings release? So 4:20 Eastern. 4:20 Eastern. which is 9:20 in the UK, followed by an investor conference call at 5 p.m, which is 10 p.m in the UK. So yes, it's late. It's late. But you know, Nvidia carries like how much percentage? How much weight does Nvidia have in the NAS? Let's see. Nvidia holds, you say 7%? Anyone else with a guess? Anyone else with a guess? %? It holds a weighting of approximately 13.7 to 13.9, the single largest component in the index. 20%. Okay, we're in the middle. We're in the middle of that. But yeah, that's a big, that holds some weight. Because I'm kind of new to trading NAS, it's a big percentage, but I mean 20% is a bit high for, what is it, NAS 100, so it's like 100 companies, so for it to hold a fifth, it's a bit much. But still, even 13% is still quite high. Do you know what I mean? Out of 100 countries, is 100 companies more than a tenth? But yeah, I've not really looked much at how Nvidia impacts Nasdaq. So today I'm gonna be looking, I'll be checking. Kind of want to go to Wick out of this wiki rejection area on the daily. Okay, these wicks to the left. I see you. I kind of have two biases, you know. If we hold below this resistance, I would like the sells back down. If we close above, then I think I want a bit more of a push up. Because structure wise, I can see, I'm thinking we could still drop bearish, but if we push up a bit more, we can create a lower high anywhere within this area, you know. We could push up a bit more before we come back down, if we do come back down. So I'll take either. But we still haven't closed above 4,500 yet. Right here, like we're still not really getting a massive push above. Not yet. You dip and dabble in both. Do you trade I know you trade gold. Do you just trade NAS and gold, Sky? What else do you trade? Right, 22 minutes for this 4-hour closes. Your TP hit, Mickey? Yeah, man. 4,500. Yeah. That hit long time. That hit a long time. That hit over here. 12 o'clock. Because it's psychological level and by this 4-hour resistance. US oil. And now US, I'm messing with US oil. I'm messing with now in US 30. Yeah, I was in the buys earlier. I took some buys up earlier from, I'll tell you where I got in. But I was out before I started streaming. I got in at, because I took a couple positions. So one was 44.77. 44.77. So it was as this started to push back up. 44.77. 44.86.82. It was around here, I remember. Yep. So when this candle closed bullish, like an engulfing, I want to get in after this candle started pushing up. And then yeah, my TP was just 4,500. I was expecting a reaction from that level. I was expecting a little bounce, a little rejection. I'm glad I got out too, because this right here, this would have pissed me off. This candle right here would have pissed me off. You're waiting for NAS 100s and to push it up. Oh, nice. Yep. Actually, we had almost the same entry on gold. Lovely. I like that. I like when everyone's kind of on the same page, you know? Love that for us. Love that. In fact, you're still holding, aren't you, John? Your TP's 45. Wait, where is it? 45.43. Why 45.43? Let me see your thing. Sec. Hello? Stop. 1 second. Where is the buy taking place? So I'm out my first buys now. I don't really like to hold positions into next session. So if I take a trade in London session, I won't hold it through NY, because I don't like to have a marry a bias just because I'm in the trade. Ali, you're right. So if I do take a buy, afternoon, if I do take a buy, it will be after this 4-hour candle closes. And then I want to see the next 4-hour create a bottom wick and then push up. Or alternatively, if we close below this resistance, if we close below 4,500, I think maybe we get the sells back down. Because my main bias today is actually sells. It is actually sells. But it depends on how we react to these higher time frame levels first. Ali, what are you looking for? I feel like Ali's always in some sells. Like he just stays in some sells. on gold. What's the plan, Ali? What's the plan for today? Why are you not trying to get into these buys on Nas? Nas just looks so messy though. Nas looks so messy. So many wicks. There's both, but no trade today. Okay, okay. Maybe a breakout. Nas can break out. Maybe. I don't know with gold. Oh shoot. Wait, I need to turn that back on. Bear with me, bear with me. Right, what do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon we're going to close above this 4-hour resistance? Is the resistance going to be broken, or are we going to hold? Naftari, I took a partial, but still on the trade. I learned that gold and oil correlate, so as long as there is understanding in the whole move situation, I'm staying bullish. Okay. I think it's more oil and, I think it's more gold and USD. I think it's more gold and the US dollar that correlate. Yeah. Because it's oil and US dollar, they were both going up because of inflation. Oil was driving up the US inflation and therefore making the US dollar a bit stronger. I think that's more what it was. in my opinion. So yeah, and obviously gold trades against USD, so the USD goes, let's see, if USD goes down, gold typically goes up. That's just kind of how it's been recently, especially in terms of the war news. What's going on with the Strait now? Because Iran threatens to extend conflict beyond region if the US and Israel resume attacks. What? I thought it was done. Didn't Trump say they're not attacking anymore? I swear it was like they were chilling. Isn't Trump in China? Oh, shoot, we had inflation this morning. Yay, UK inflation's going down. Stuff is going to be 0.2% cheaper. Woot! Lucky, I say. Gold's not pushing up much. I'm thinking sells. Could be the case. I gotta wait for candles to close. Because, like, I mean, if we respect this area here where we've got these wicks here and this resistance, like I said, then I think we're going down. But I need that. I need a closure below. Even if it closes a tiny bit above, I still think we might come back down. But if the new 4-hour pushes up, like, very quickly, maybe sweeps the high without a bottom wick, I think we can get a big sell, like, quite early on. But if we get a strong push up, a retest, and then re-break, then I think we go up a bit more. So I kind of know what I want to see. Gold's going to play out however it wants. But I know what I'd be looking for to go either way. So those are just my ideas. I mean, this candle right here, we're struggling. We are struggling. This has been a struggle candle. Very much a struggle. Oh, are we rejecting? Rejecting 4,500 again? Yeah, gold does. Yeah, gold's chilling, I think. Alright, 6 minutes left. 6 minutes. You know what? I'm not looking at GJ because GJ is incredibly boring. Going back below 45. Yes, we are. This is not looking good. Not looking good for the buyers. Candles flipping bearish. We are coming down. We are coming down. I love 4-hour levels, I really do. They're such a good reference point. At that 4-hour level, right on a psychological level. Gold is frozen there. All right, guys, a closure below 4,500 again. What are you saying? Rejection? What are we saying, guys? It's got to be a rejection, right? Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me shut my window because it's making my door go crazy. Saying rejection time. Oh yeah, man, look, 4,500 gold does not want to break it. It doesn't. One sec. All right, where are we looking to get into some sells now? Next candle. Nah, I think next candle, little top wick. And then a bit of a drop, guys. Bit of a drop. That's why you gotta wait for candles to close. Let this be a prime example. Look for those 4-hour levels. But we're still not breaking these previous lows. We're still not breaking. We might be selling, you know? We might be selling. We might be selling. Charge. There we go. I think so. All right. So my confirmations or my entries are usually when candles break, you know, previous candle lows. We haven't quite done that yet, but this is pretty nice rejection. And remember what I said earlier about price potentially creating a lower high right here. I shouldn't even put there because it's just slightly lower to come back down. So I want to see a top wick and then start breaking lows and then dropping down. But it should give me a decent top wick first at least. Give me a little decent. Hey Joseph, how's the trade going? It's not going yet, but it's, I want to get in. I want to get in. Oh, am I going to catch it? Yeah, I need a top wick first. I think I need a bit of a top wick first. And then I'll look for an entry. Yeah, you gotta wait, man. Gotta wait. See, 4-hour top wick. Maybe even a retest of 4,500 and then drop. But new 4-hour candle. Let's see. Let's see. And you know, if I'm looking for sells, I do kind of want the candle to come up first and then come back down. Do you have a Discord community we can join? Do you have a community we can join on Discord? Yeah, the link is I think it's right above your message. I think it's right there. Oh, sorry, I'm all like super zoomed in, aren't I? Let me see if I can pin it again. I should pin it at the beginning. There you go. Discord's pinned. Pinned in the chat. Alright, go on. Give us a top wick. What I want to do, I want to look right here. Thinking if we break this 1-hour low, then we can go down. 1-hour low. Probably looking at an entry about 93. 93. Please, what broker do you use to trade? I use IC Markets. IC Markets and C Trader. It's the best combination out there. Oh, oh. So we tap 45 again. Tap 4,500 again. This is not bad. This is not bad. Do a retest. Now let's see if we flip. We could just push up, to be fair. We could just blast through here. But yeah, my entries are usually confirmations of where price is going. That's why I wait for candles to break lows, break highs. For me, that just gives my ideas a bit of a higher probability, you know, candles trending in the direction of my trade. That's my thought behind it. This is good. Go up first and then spend the rest of the 4 hours of this candle coming back down. Alright, let's see now. Let's see. Is this 45 gonna hold? Are we holding? Are we staying below? I have a lot of time. A lot of time. Wants to jump around, huh? You want to jump around? What's DXY doing? DXY pushing up. DXY is at a 4-hour resistance. This resistance could hold. You know what I mean? It could do. Go pushing up. Go pushing up. Look, we did kind of respect these wicks to the left. Here, we left a little top wick in this area, this wicky area. But now I'm just waiting for confirmations that price is actually going to go down. You know what I mean? I've got some things that line up for me. But I don't have an entry yet. Yeah, not yet, not yet, not yet. I'm thinking, kind of thinking below, like below 40. Where's the 1 hour low? Below here. Yeah, 93 is where I would like to get in. That's 120, let's say 130 pips using a previous high, or 92 using entry high. Keep getting pulled back to this 4,500. Yeah, it'll be one of the two. It'll either be entry candle or previous candle. Entry candle or previous candle high. Maybe previous candle just to be on the safe side, because it's just above. It's above the 4,500. See what the IC 4 hours looking like over here. Oof, this IC 4 hour has no bottom wick. Oh shit. Oh, this is gold is talking dirty. That is the tiniest bottom wick right there. Tiny bottom wick. Okay, okay. The tiniest. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. But what price is that? Let me see. Where is that? 44.85ish. Is that this candle right here? Right by the daily flip? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Someone took sales from the psychological level, 4,500. Their stop loss would have only been 50 pips since 45.05 was the high of 4 hour. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. Hopefully H1 can break lows. Gold's playing. Yeah, man. And listen, anything can happen. Anything can happen. Gold could say, you know what? I'm actually going up. Gold to say, no, look, I'm bullish. I'm bullish on the lower time frames. What are you talking about? But it's good though. It's good that we're going up first. We're going up first because then it leaves a lot of time for gold to come back down. If H4 breaks highs, I don't like sells. I wish daily didn't break prior lows already because now it's waiting to see. Yeah, but I kind of, it's not that I don't like that. I'm not a fan of when it happens so early, but I also look at it like we have broke daily lows already, so we can come back and re-break those lows. It's like, because it's saying we are bearish, we're coming up to make a high, because we're nowhere near yesterday's high. We are nowhere near, so I think we're just making a top wick to come back down. That's kind of how I see it. I want the 4 hour to give me that confirmation, and I really like the fact that this 4 hour didn't close above this resistance. But yeah, if we do break the high, I don't like the sells just yet. Then I think we potentially push up a bit more and then come back down. We still need a top wick up here, but yeah, I feel like we're days away from a top wick up there now. Maybe might not even happen this week. We have FOMC meeting minutes. FOMC meeting minutes later, 7 o'clock. I got one at 45.02 and 44.96. Ben said, is that where you got in? Oh, okay, okay. Nice, nice, nice. Nah, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Try not to marry my sales bias. I mean, that's what stop losses are for. Do you know what I mean? Stop losses are to confirm. What's that? Stop losses mean if price goes here, then my trade is invalid. That's exactly what stop losses are for. Oh, my friend updated the weather forecast. Looks like we're going to have a great weekend. Love it. Love that for us. Excellent. Second, guys. Sorry guys, I'm getting a lot of phone calls today, man. A lot of phone calls. Where did I miss? Try not to marry my sales bias, but Benny, that idea about 4,500 entries, how I get my Wick entries. Yeah, Naz is still giving me buys, waiting for market open. Yeah, sorry, I was on the phone, so I'm muting myself. Naz, I can still see Naz buyers, to be fair. I can, especially since we had this massive engulfing which pretty much covered half of this drop to the left. Yeah, I just don't see any entries on gold. I mean, on Naz at the moment. I think I would have to. I think I'd want Naz to come back down before it goes back up. So yeah, I'd want a little drop on Naz first. Definitely. High broken. Yes. But I'm still not married to the buys yet. I'm still not convinced of the buys just because this high's broken. Because I've seen the 4 hour do this. Sweep the highs, come back down. So, but, you know, gold's going to do what gold wants to do, innit? Totally a beginner here. Anyone like me? Welcome, Morgan. Welcome. Wonder will it reject Asian highs at 45.08? That's another thing. We are getting set once it closes below. I mean, this could just be a 4 hour top wick. I'm not married to anything, but I know where I want to get in. If it does, you know. Oh, what's happening? Look at that. Looks like a 1 hour continuation pattern here too. But into a resistance. No me gusta. Yeah, we're still. I think we're not bad. Where's your gunner shirt, Mickey? You know what? You're right. Oh my god, I'm slacking. I'm such a bad fan. I'm actually slacking. It's so true. I'm a fake fan. I should have been at the Emirates like Smokey. That's what I should have been doing. That's what I should have been doing. Disappointed. It's alright. I know it's bad. Bro, we can't breathe since you took the league after 20 plus years. Listen, I'm not trying to rub it in no one's faces, innit? Like, you know what I'm saying? I try not to get too much into politics, teams, you know, trying to keep it very neutral in here. I let the lads in the chat get into that. You know, but you know, come on, you gunners. I should have changed the stream name. Catching pips because Arsenal won the league. Nah, let me chill. What's that impression like Robin Hood? I got you. How's it looking? Look, we're still kind of rejecting, but this could just be a pullback, but I like it. I still like gold sells. Afak. Hi, how are you? I expect your whole background to be red. I know, I'm the worst. I should have had that. You know what? Thanks, Carl. For the rest of the week now. Rest of the week, I'm flooding you guys with Arsenal stuff. Flooding you. Blame Carl for that. You're about to get sick of Arsenal. Then hold on 1 second, guys. All right. All right, NAS traders in here. Where are you looking to get into NAS buyers? Because everyone is bullish on NAS, but where are you not trying to get in? Where are you not trying to get in? I have nothing at the moment. And look, DXY is pushing up. Very good for the gold sells. I'm good, Afak. How are you? How are you? How has your trading session been? Price was 0.44 from my stop loss before turning around. Damn. Damn. See, if I got in, if I took a Wick entry, I'm getting in 1 minute before market open. Oh, girl. What? 1 minute on NAS? That's some real sniper shit right there. NAS at market open to me is like, I know they say don't have no emotions. It is terrifying. Terrifying at market open. I can't do it. It just up, down, up, down, up, down. Nah. What time frame do you base your entries on? Just finished 50 minutes on a walk pad waiting for gold. Damn. Yeah, no, this is good. This is good. This is good for gold sales. We barely have a bottom wick. I think we come down. Oh, we got a cowgirl in the chat. Hey, sweet licks. Hope you catch a lick today. Hey, that might be a... I presume you use the lower time frame to get in then. But that's some real sniper stuff right there. It's a real sniper entry. Carl, I'm good with that. Morgan, as a beginner, you are in the best place. I'd like to think so. Ask any questions you have. We have a lot of good traders in the chat. We have a lot of good traders. We really talk about what we see, what we're waiting for, ideas. You know, I think we're pretty good at reading candles in here. You know? No, as is not moving. Ooh. Are we getting a drive down now? Remember, this icy markets 4 hour has no bottom wick on this 4 hour candle. So if we don't come back down now, next candle, we're coming for this. We're coming for this wick right here. We are coming for this wick. Do not want to record my idea. Right here by the daily flip. Also, if the daily flip's bearish again, the daily flip's bearish, then yeah, we were just making a top wick. I think we come down, re-flip, re-break the low, and then we come back down. First stop is this 4-hour support right here, 44.61, then 44.30, and then 43.80s, yo. Damn. That's if we keep dropping. That's if. Yo, is Nas frozen? Yo, my Nas is frozen. But look, where's the time? Where's the time? Nas is frozen. Yo, who's got a price on Nas right now? Where's Nas at? What is going on with these freezing charts right now? That's mad. Yeah, look. Okay, this one's moving. All right. That's mad. Nice, we're dropping. Sorry guys, I'm very popular today, man. Damn. Need to see price come down and break prior H4 lows. This one or the other one? I think we're coming down anyway. Just the fact that we closed below this resistance and now we're flipping bearish here. I think we're coming back down. It's ranging out of pips. Miss Pippin snatched them all during Asian session this week. Oh man, killing it. The pip snatcher, right? Now Miss Gold Pippin. Miss Gold Pippin, indeed. Look, this one is still frozen. Look at this stuff. You know what? I'm not gonna focus on that right now. I may have, not gonna lie, I may have missed the entry that I wanted. I may have missed the entry that I wanted. Maybe. Alright, if this 30-minute, I still could get in. Could still get in, you know. Next 30-minute candle, now I've got a strong bearish candle right here. Hopefully it doesn't open and then just drive straight down, because gold likes to do stuff like that. Don't go too much. Don't go too much. Makes the stop loss too big. Jeez, what did I say? What did I say? What did I ask you not to do? Gold don't listen. Had to snatch those pips. Need lunch and dinner money for the holiday weekend. You don't got a holiday this weekend. What's going on this weekend? What's going on this weekend? I don't got a holiday this weekend. I think we got a Memorial Day weekend. Oh, I guess it's weekend. It's not on the charts, is it? It's not going to be on this. Okay. I think we have bank holiday next Monday, actually. Yep. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah, pretty same. Yeah, 25th. Cool. Off Friday and Monday. Cool. Yeah, we got Monday off. You know M30 bottom wick? I know. That's not good. That's not bad though. It's not bad. I think no bottom wick in the direction you're going isn't as bad as in the opposite direction. As going up is ish. What's DXY doing? DXY pushing? Yeah, I think, come on. If DXY can keep pushing. That looks messy right there. I still think we still come down on gold. I need a top wick though before I get in. That wasn't a nice open. So I'm thinking we retest the daily flip at least in the next 30 minutes and it's mainly because I think this candle comes back down and makes a bottom wick before it closes. That's really the main thing that I'm looking at. There we go, Goldie. Push now. No, that's not pushing. Flip. Going the wrong way. God, it's making us wait for it. It's teasing. Bear Mike, good morning. How are you today? Karen, how are you, Karen? Buenos dias. I missed the rest of your message, Mike. Yo, why does my chat do this? I need to figure this out. Sorry, Hey, what app do I need to have? For? Be specific. Or an app for what? To analyze trades, to take trades, to... Tell me. Afternoon champions, that's right. To start trading, start with TradingView. Start with tradingview.com. I'm a new baby to this. Damn, 3 news? Fresh out. New. Where are you from? Where are you from, C Jatta? Where are you from? There we go. We're driving now. We're gone. We out of here. What country? The app? What country? It depends on where you are. Then I could advise you. Different countries allow different things. Ooh, come on, gold. What is this? Originally from Gambia, but I'm in Seattle. Oh, okay. So America, you need to actually take trades. Ash, would you trade locker? You need trade locker. Made a bag market open. Okay. Would you get? Did you catch these buyers up? I know you wanted buyers. Did you snatch these pips going up? This is why I don't trust it though. Yeah, go for trade locker. In fact, I have a link to a good broker for the States, Gates FX. And that will help you get an app to trade with, so you can try that. And they give you 100% deposit bonus as well, I believe. Ash, they still running that? I think they're still running that last time I looked. Yeah, man. That must have been a real good entry there. So this is why I can't fuck with Nas though. I cannot do this. I cannot trade this candle because it's so like it moves one way. It's a lot of whipsaws. Sorry to swear, but it whipsaws so much. Yeah. Beautiful. Look, we're coming down for this bottom wick, guys. Coming back for this bottom wick. And if you're new here, in here we have a thing about reading candles, and majority of candles have a top and bottom wick. You know, we have a top and bottom wick. If candles don't have top or bottom wicks, majority of the time, you know, we're gonna come back to create that wick, or the next candle will come back and create that wick. Be careful with the deposit bonus. The account you create for that widens the spread, which pushes your trade to stop loss. There you go. Great advice. How often are you on live? Every day. Every day. We live every day, baby. Every day from, if you're in Seattle, I don't know what time zone that is, but I'm on from 7:30 Eastern. 7:30 Eastern to about half an hour from now. So 10 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, about that. 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock. Anywhere between that time. Yeah. But I'm trying to schedule my stream. So if you subscribe, you'll see I schedule the streams. So you'll see when I start. H1 about to get that bottom wick near 44.81. Also the daily flip is about to get tapped. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look, we're flipping. This 4 hours flipping too. Should get a nice 4 hour bottom wick as well, I think. This is nice. This is nice. Also, join the Discord. We have a nice community growing in there. So any questions you have, got some like-minded traders in there too. I missed this entry. You missed the entry? It happened very quick, like that. The drive back down. Really, the entry I wanted was up here though. 93. 93. Breaking the 1 hour low. But if we can flip bullish on the daily, I think we are going down. We are going down. We still have 18 minutes left. 18 minutes for this 4 hour also to create a bottom wick. So we got time. We got time. And I think we're going down some more. First target is 44.60. 162. As going back up. M1 had a nice, M5 had a nice little double top for entries. 4,400 price of interest, I think so. Okay, Bear Mike. Big sells. Big sells. Damn. 4,400 is sounds juicy. Juicy sells. Bear Mike talk that. Hey. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Pushing below the daily flip. Yeah, we're out of here now. We're out of here. We're out of here. We'll get onto it next week. Alright, shout me, cuz. God, all over my phone it's just everyone Arsenal, Arsenal, Arsenal. My goodness. I ain't mad at it. Can we push past this daily flip? Can we? Can we? So we're reacting to where the daily candles open, guys. That's what the daily flip is. Again, if you're new here, this line here shows where the daily candle has opened. So I'll just mark it off so I don't have to switch to the daily time frame. If we're above the daily flip line, that means the daily candle's bullish. If we're below the daily flip line, that means the daily candle is bearish. And a lot of the time you can use where the daily candle opened as like a support or resistance. Price comes back and it like reacts to that level. Are you seeing a sell to 44.60? Yeah. I'm seeing a sell below there because alright, my reasons for sells mainly is the 4 hour here. I mean the daily candle, sorry. The daily candle's already broken yesterday's low. So I think we can come back and re-break this low. Also, we closed below this daily support yesterday. So the structure of gold right now on the daily time frame is quite bearish. Now the 4 hour here, right, it's tapped this resistance. Firstly, we've tapped it and closed below, and now we're pushing down. So if we're just playing this 4 hour range, I think we come back down to this 4 hour support. We come back down to this 4 hour support. And if we break the support, then we sell, right? We sell further down to the left. So first stop, 44.31. If we can push below the support, and then next stop, 43.78, 77.78. So that's what I'm looking for. Now we just gotta wait and see if it plays out like that, you know. Nas moving. What's Nas doing? Oof, Nas is going up. That's not good for gold sells. Are you looking for more entries, for more buys? Sky, you looking for more buys? Are you still holding your buys, in fact? Or are you in and out already? That, if you're taking a trade at market open, that's got to be a sniper entry. Is that a super scalp? It's got to be a super scalp. Just got back in. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's moving up nicely, isn't it? Look, I see the price. Damn, it's popping. 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. Chris, what's happening, Chris? What's happening, Chris? You good? Thought that gold sells. My limit order got triggered. Beautiful, beautiful. Where'd you get in? What's your TP? Oh, that's nice, man. That's nice. Was it 4,500? $4,400 was the price where it bounced after the big drop a few months ago. Definitely did push up from this area. Definitely did. Cool, 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 cool. $4,400 was the price where, oh yeah, I read that already. More left, more left. More, he says. Oh, this right here. You're talking about this. Boom. Okay. Okay, okay. So you're expecting it to drop there and maybe spike back up, or just revisit that area? I'm just good for gold coming down, you know? The entry was 45.02. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. I think I did have that level on my daily analysis. 45.02. Again. Come on, peoples. Yeah, I did have 45.02 my daily analysis. I like it, I like it, I like it. You know, retest the old resistance, come down, yeah. Alright guys, last 10 minutes of this hourly candle is when gold really starts to shaking. Man, we cannot break below this daily flip. Go on. Push below the daily flip. Give us the drive down now. This last 10 minutes, this is it. This is it. Give us that big push. Big push. Beautiful, beautiful. Drive down now. Let's go. Let's go. What's the gold bias? Oh man, gold bias is sells. Sells right now. Especially since we respect to this 4-hour resistance. And now we flip bearish. I think we get a nice push. It might not happen in this M30 because the prior barely gave a bottom wick, so the odds aren't the best, but let's see gold. Or you think we might close above and then next candle, or maybe we might get a continuation pattern to come down. I wouldn't put that past gold. Definitely wouldn't put it past gold. I wouldn't put it past it. And then even, yeah. I mean, we got a bottom wick on this 4-hour as well, so I can imagine. I'd want to see something like, where's my little picture? I need to put this somewhere more accessible. Minutes left. So I would want to see something like, where are we at now? It's got a long candle, short wick. I would want to see something like this. Wait, is the top wick long? No, it's going to be a longer bottom wick. Something like this. Something like this one. Because we're going to have a long bottom wick. If it closes weak bullish, or even something like this right here, we close very weak bullish. I expect the next candle to come down. This candle could push up because we're going to make a top wick as well for the hour and then push down. So either this one or this one I'd expect to see if we close very weak bullish. Oh, Dr. John, damn. You still in these? I forgot about this. Yeah, I don't like trading against people, you know. But so it goes sometimes. Forgot about his buys. Yeah, me too. But you know, my analysis is very, I won't say it's on the fly, but anything can happen. You have to have, if this happens, then I'm going to do that. If this happens, I'm going to do that. And I think you have to look at both scenarios. I'll be looking at both. Because if this 4-hour had closed above this resistance, I'll be looking at buyers. That didn't happen. So now I already had a sell bias anyway, just based on the daily. But, you know, we could have pushed up a bit more before price came back down. Oh, it's a nice drop. We're dropping nicely. This is it. Last 10 minutes of this candle, we get some nice volume. Nice volume. Last 10 minutes of the 1 hour. Market open candle. Gold likes to go crazy. Can it close below the daily flip? Can it? Can it? I think it can. Go on. 3 minutes. I think you can do it, gold. You can do it. There we go. Gold is playing. See, look at this. Look. See how the daily candles just flipping bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Instead of watching it do that, you just see whether it's above or below this line. Easier way. I'm really happy. Just closed from class and my trade is in some really good profits. Good, man. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Good move. Good move. Real good move. Chris is out here killing it from the classroom. Killing it. It's a nice closure. It's a nice closure right here. Beautiful. Yes, nice little drive down. Go on, push. Yes. This is smashing it. Yeah, man. You put the same entry that I had up on my same entry that I put up in my daily analysis today. See if I can find it. I use so many charts. And it's the analysis. Open anyway. Yes. Plus we got the same entry. Nice, nice. Ash got that entry too. Looking at that one. Is it that one? Is it? No, I can't find it. But it's here. Where is the Discord? Oh, little pop up, right? Yeah, look. Sells from lower time frame resistance. 45.02. And I was expecting if it pushed a little bit higher. Sells at looking at a retest of this broken support for price to come down. So that's where I was looking at taking sells if price got there. That was sent when price was down here. The price revisits old levels. Alright, so we're gonna make a little top wick here. Make a top wick. Maybe break the low, continue down. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Call it right here. What a rejection on this 4-hour time frame here. Well, yeah, you know where I'm looking at. You know where my targets are. I think we come down to 44.61 at some point today. And if we push below, then 44.31 is the target below that. I don't know if it does that all today. It's a ways away. What's that, like 500 pips? 500 pips. It's a big ask, but you know, gold can do whatever it wants to do. Gold can do whatever it wants. Nas is looking a bit dicey. DXY is still pushing up, so that's a good look. That's a good look. Let's see if you have any headlines that just come out. No, let's look here. It's hard to put good figures on the future food prices. Bank of England Governor Bailey, who's Canadian. Surveys and blah 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 blah. Yeah, nothing going on. No high impact stuff. Oh, I saw Trump's name. Fantastic economic numbers yesterday. We'll work out the Taiwan problem. Trump, Israel's Prime Minister Netanyahu will do whatever I want him to do. Aha! That is some ballsy talk there. Trump on Iran, I'm in no hurry. We're going to give this one a shot. I'm in no hurry. Trump touts investments in the US. Yeah, I don't know, man. This man is very dangerous. He's very dangerous. Very dangerous. I was watching South Park, and they were talking about Trump tweeting. They're like, take his phone away, because you know, don't message stuff on your phone because it's dangerous. Dangerous things happen when he tweets. So they're like, don't be a president. Put your phone down. He's a crazy millionaire. He's a billionaire. He's made so much money in office since he started. It's mad how illegal this is. It can't be legal. It cannot be. But yeah, guys, appreciate you for joining. Appreciate you for joining as always, and I will see you guys tomorrow where we have another quiet day. But yes, hopefully we hit some targets. If we do, share your results in the Discord. Love checking out people's analysis and ideas. But well done for today if you did catch anything. And yeah, it's been a good session. Nice. Yeah, man, look, we're going down, going gold. Oh yeah. But yeah, guys, peace out. Let's see if H4 could go down to break prior lows at 44.72. Oh, you mean right here? Oh yeah, I think gold is coming down, man. I think it's coming down to 44.61. What's your strategy? My strategy is usually, depending on the bias, sell from resistance, buy from support, or a breakout, closure above, closure below. So ideally, I wanted sells at 44.93 because I had a bearish bias. So this is the entry I wanted right here. This. So that's it. Literally. Oh, how did it disappear? Yeah, literally sells from resistance. Like we've got a little resistance here. 4-hour resistance form. Bang. That's it. If you join the Discord and go to the strategies section, right at the top, I'll show you. So it'll be something like this. Look, I have these lovely little things in here. Boom. So just like that. Just like that. See? Oh, wait. That's not the right one. Sorry. I'm going to show you the one that I was actually looking at today. So sells at resistance. This one here. this. Look, see, we come up, bam. So look, the analysis trending down, a higher time frame previous resistance respected. We have a big range, which is literally like this is the big range. We've respected the previous resistance, this 4-hour level. Yep, we got support first and resistance form, strong bearish candle, rejection candle, all of this, all of the above, and then get in when we break that low. And this is the entry I was calling out earlier. So it's all there, guys, man. It's all there for you for free. For free. I asked for nada. Oh yeah, that's the idea anyway. That's the idea. So yeah, man, join the Discord, check the strategies out. It's in there. I try to be as active as I can, I promise. But like I said, there's like-minded traders in there. I'll answer any questions you lot send me. So yeah, man, join up. Great community, very friendly, very supportive. So yeah, come through. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Peace out, guys. Or if not, I'll see you in the Discord if you join. And yeah, let's see if we Gracias. No problem. You have a great day too. You have a good day. But yeah, guys, peace out.